How can you make a home screen focus on the Android? Let me talk about it and what you probably mean by that. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So, as you know, on our smartphones and all of these devices, we have the focus modes or do not disturb modes. And we, of course, have that on the Android as well. Inside of these settings, we have the modes and routines, which is probably the thing you are referring to. So you can get inside like that. And there are so many different like modes, which are technically focus modes. On iPhones, it's called focus. In here is just mode. But the point is that, for example, if you click on the focus mode for work, you have the ability to change the appearance of your home screen and lock screen during this mode. Right, so what you are probably referring to, right? Because if you want to make the different home screen or the home screen look different, you have to set it up right here for the particular mode. So you have to click on the home screen like that, and you can choose a different wallpaper, which is going to be used for that situation, right? And also like different things. So you can see that you can access like the different photos in the gallery, whatever it might be, right? So you have like plenty of ways to play with it, right? And not only that, you can also just click on continue and play with more things in here. So that's probably the thing you want to have enabled. And it's also, it's only like turn on when you enable the mode itself. So when you turn on the work mode, in our case, the home screen is supposed to change. So that's how you can set it up. Of course, all of the other features are still present here, so make sure you go through it to set it up the way that you want. But that is going to be about it from me. Let me know what you think about it below in the comments. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you do not miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this, and I'll talk to you later.